out on the 2019 Road Glide. Doing a video test with the GoPro Hero 9 that's on the handlebars, as well as the GoPro Hero 5, which I have on my helmet. And I'm recording the audio to my Tascam DR05 just to see if I can get the audio out. And one thing I noticed about the Hero 9, the battery drains really fast. I did not charge Hero 9 battery or the Hero 7 battery before I left. So I just, whatever the charger was before I left, that's what I used. So, but I do have a spare battery for both in my bag. So we'll see what happens. But it is a pretty day out today. Like I said, the temperature is mid-60s. Got a little wind blowing today. It's a beautiful day to be on the bike. I need to go check on my guy to see how he's coming along cutting his grass today. I didn't go with him. I just let him go by himself because if I had gone with him, he wouldn't have had any hours today, because we would have knocked those yards out in probably about an hour and a half, all 3 yards with 2 people. So it'll take him about 3 hours by itself. So he wants the hours, since we're not working much now, so he's trying to get all the hours he can. So, and matter of fact, I didn't bring my selfie stick to take any pictures. So a lot of trash on the road, a lot of books. Church of God in Christ. That's a donkey that he's been working on a horse for years.